a two-boat heat, man. Sucks. I know a lot of that going on right now. You live in South Florida?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. By Jerry and them?
Yeah. I'm a little bit north of them.
Right on. I've known Jerry basically my whole life. He's a good guy.
Yeah. I used to do it with my dad when he lived here way back, and then I got back into it like in 2016.
Yeah, that's how I got into it. My dad, lifetime loader pretty much, you know, since like the 70s, 80s. Yeah, one boat.
That box is real good.
It runs pretty good.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Like a qualifying lap.
Yeah.
Saving fuel.
So we have more and more people subscribing to the Beardsley Fuel Conservation Program. It's not fun, but it's conservative.
Nice weather, huh, John?
Yes, we're all ready.
Okay. Thank you, Derek.
Yeah, I know. I'm used to it. Yeah.
Take a look at that thing.
You're right up close.
I don't know what it is.
Sounds good to me. Yeah. I say you have to be a sheriff. So you get your own seat and then or your own leg, then you can do what you want. Anyway, yeah, I know. Our sheriffs are just good looking. So when you're on the wrong side of the bicycle, then they kick. Stop, wait, don't. But when there is a crowd, it comes to you and to burn you don't. No. I shoot first? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, get down. But you don't have bicycles here. We have we live. Okay. 185,000 kids. We have 125 bicycles. 125,000 bicycles. Holy shit. We have special weights. Okay. Normal cars. There is, I show you pictures. Only for bicycles. Okay, yeah. And they are very popular are these e-bikes. Okay. So they ride e-bikes. Okay. Everybody has an e-bike. You know what the accidents are, yeah?
Yeah.
Before 1985, there was Back to the Future film. And we thought, in 2025 in Europe, we have cars that can fly. Actually, we have bikes with electric. Bullshit.
Blow on it.
We got a test like these.
I didn't come to work, sir. Come to work. Come to run those. It looks good. Shame it don't run.
I'm waiting for the starter button. Might went ahead.
Check the battery connector.
All right, Heat 30. We got James Clegg, Tom Foley, Mark Grannis, Jan Thielman. You guys ready? All right, you're on the clock.
Yeah.
Foley got a big cut on his lead plate. Big plate off a big stick. Oh, still going, still going. Bud Burton, front straightaway, right in the middle of the driving range. Bud Burton, front straightaway, right in the middle of the driving range. Last lap to the leader. last place.